Good morning, my dear students in grade 9. How are you today?
رؤية المدرسة إعداد فتيات متعلمات مبدعات قادرات على بناء مجتمع واع متحضر محافظة على أخلاقه وقيمه ومستخدمة للتكنولوجيا الحديثة.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Our lesson today is Module 1, Lesson B. Students Book, page 10, Reading Part 1. By the end of our lesson today, students will be able to recognize some words or phrases related to the reading text. Choose the best title for the reading text. Look at this picture. Environmental issue. What does this word mean? It means a problem related to the environment. For example, pollution is the most serious environmental issue. Look at this picture. What can you see? Gadgets. Gadgets are small devices or machines with a particular purpose. For example, we have a lot of gadgets at our house. Look at the picture. Manufacturer. A person or a company that makes goods in a large number. Germany is a major manufacturer of motor cars. Produce. Produce is a verb. To make or create something. For example, this company produces computers. Look at the picture. Globally. Affecting the whole world. Today, there are about 6 billion mobile phone users globally. Century. Century, a period of 100 years. Life in the 19th century was different from life today. Huge. Huge is an adjective. It means very big. Amount. A quantity of something such as time, money, or a substance. For example, he paid a huge amount of money for that car. Pre-reading activity. Read the words. Discuss which of the words or phrases in the box do you associate with modern life and why? Internet, environmental issues, speed, gadgets, junk food, social media. Which of these words or phrases do you associate with modern life? Maybe social media and maybe the internet. What do you think? Do you like quizzes? Do the quiz and test your knowledge. Then read the text quickly and check your answers. Which of the following is the best title for the text? A, B, or C? Number 1. How many electric cars are made in the USA every year? How many electric cars are made in the USA every year? 85,000, 100,000, or 15,000? Number 2. How much did Real Madrid spend on Cristiano Ronaldo in 2009? 939,000 euros or 9,300,000 euros or 93,900,000 euros. How long did the first transatlantic flight take? 27.5 hours, 20.5 hours, or 16.5 hours. How much did the first mobile phone cost? $39,000, $3,995, or $995. Number 5. When was the first computer game played? 1985, 1940, or 1999? Now, let's read the text quickly and check our answers. Look here. Where can you find an article like this? Yeah, in a magazine. So, what is it talking about? 1. Look, let's read. In the past, okay. And the number 2, these days. And the number 3, nowadays. And number 4, most people these days. So it's about the present and about the past. Now, let's listen.
1. Read.
1. In the past, not many people bought electric cars, but now, because of environmental issues, they are becoming more and more popular. However, long journeys are difficult because you have to charge these cars regularly. Nowadays, US car manufacturers produce over 85,000 electric cars every year. 2. These days, it is common for large sports organizations to buy and sell players for millions. Sports stars are some of the richest people in the world. In 2009, Real Madrid spent 93.9 million euros on Cristiano Ronaldo. And in 2017, he made more than 50 million euros. This is a huge amount compared to what players got in the late 1800s, about 3.5 euros per week. 3. Nowadays, traveling by plane is easy, comfortable, safe, and fast. A flight from London to New York City takes about 7 hours. At the beginning of the 20th century, in 1919, John Alcock and Arthur Brown made the first non-stop flight across the Atlantic. It took them about 16 and a half hours. 4. Most people these days can't imagine their lives without a mobile phone. The first mobile phone was available in shops in 1983. It was huge. It weighed 1 kilogram. You couldn't talk for long, and it cost the incredible amount of $3,995. Today, there are about 6 billion mobile phone users globally. 5. The first time people ever got the chance to try playing a computer game was in 1940 in New York. Tens of thousands of people played this simple game only to have the computer win 90% of the time. Fortunately, today players have a much better chance of winning.
Now let's go back. Let's see here. Which of the following is the best title for the text? Then and now, famous 19th century inventions, modern line features. Yes, perfect. The best title here is then and now, because the text is talking about the past and the present. Now open your workbook. This is the homework. You can pause the video and write these sentences in your notebook and answer them, or you can answer from your workbook. Complete with the words phrases in the box. Camera, produce, century, because of, users, and common. Please do this activity and we will check together. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for listening and goodbye.